Good morning, my fellow Nigerians. Today is December 1st. Happy December 1st. This is the beginning of the Christmas season. This is the time of the year where Nigerians in diaspora start going back home to celebrate Christmas. Guys in Nigeria, special warning to you. Hide your wives, hide your girlfriends, hide your sisters, hide your side chicks, hide your babes, because these boys are coming. They are vexing. Malaysian boys are coming. Boys from Jan are coming. Yankee boys are coming. And they only have one mission, is to steal your girlfriend and use your girlfriend for Christmas and dump her right after the new year. So you have to watch. You have to be very, very careful. If your girlfriend tells you, oh, I want to go and see mommy. I haven't seen my mommy since January. I want to go and spend some days with her. Hide her. Follow her. Make sure that she's really going to see mommy. If she tells you she's going to Alade Market and she's been gone for 4 hours, don't trust that. She has gone to see one of those I just got back boys. I just got back. They are here to destroy relationship. I just got back. They are there to scatter your relationship. You no go agree. Will you agree for them? You will not agree. God bless you.